Investor here, bringing you another independent analysis. This time we're taking a look at ticker symbol TOPS, that's Top Ships Incorporated. The chart we have here today is a 5-minute chart. Each candlestick on this chart representing only 5 minutes of trading, so it's a very intraday chart. And I did an analysis on this stock on the 1st of August, that's Monday. Now it's Friday. Looks like it's time to update this analysis, and I also had a few requests to update this analysis as well. Push this snooze button. Shout out to you on YouTube for this updated request. Can you do another independent analysis? This one broke 6 and found support for Monday, he said. So I'm going to reply to that comment as well during this analysis. So you're absolutely right in saying it found some support, but in my opinion it is light support, since the support that it has found at 561 wasn't really support the rest of the days that I was running. It didn't really have much price action there, a little bit, but not enough to really call it hard support like the other pivot points. However, if you guys did watch that first analysis I posted on Monday, if 580 broke, there was a chance that we could fall all the way back down to $4 and what was it, about 14 cents or so, since the initial run was so fast it didn't really find support on Monday when it ran all the way up from there. So the fact that it didn't fall back down there is good, even though the $5.80 pivot point broke. But yeah, definitely found some light support. You're absolutely right. And that's this line right here. That segmented line is our light support, and that's going to be 561. So normally I start from the top, but why don't we just start from the bottom in this one, since we're already discussing the 561 support. There it is. Now moving on up, we had 580, as we've already discussed as well. And we have a few more to go. Next one is going to be $6.07. A lot of candles right above this, though. Let's put it right here, 607. And then the next one up is 635 at the very top. Now there are more pivot points than this, as you guys know, but since this is the trading range we're in, this is really the only four we need to kind of watch right now, between 561 and 635. So as we were discussing, we have that light support here at 561. You can see it was tested multiple times. Here is resistance, and then here is support, 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 support. And over here at the end of the day, the entire time support before getting a little push back up, trying to get back to 580, but this is a very bearish candle. It had the high right about 585, 584, but closed all the way back down below that pivot. And then luckily it didn't come all the way back down to support, just closed mid-range there. And then after hours, a little trading block in the same kind of spot, interestingly enough. Now you can see we had a lot of volume on this candle, this red candle, which means that as the end of the day was coming and people saw this thing wasn't really running anymore, it was making some lower lows and then kind of channeling here. No one really wanted to hold it. It was not looking that good. It was still oversold. And then we had a lot of volume, a lot of people selling it off there right to the end of the day. Now over here, a lot of more volume, and that was what was pushing it up this entire time, making that high of about 649, 648, 649, right around there. So actually, it was a pretty good day for Tops. It ended up 8.68% on the close, even though it didn't hold all the gains, up to 635 and the high of about 647, 648. Still a very nice close, up, close to 10%, 8.68, higher end of 8% there, not bad at all. And we had a nice uptrend where we made some higher lows all the way here, some channeling before legging up again, making some more higher lows, channeling, and then making some higher lows again. Unfortunately, like we already said, it did lose some of the momentum at the end of the day. The volume dried up all here, and then we had some sellers and some bears bringing it right back down. But it found some support at 561, which is great. It didn't fall all the way back down to its pre-levels on Monday, so that's good. And I do think this is one to watch on Monday. I mean, the problem is, if people forget about it, if there's more stocks to be watching, since this thing already did run twice this week, that could very well happen. Who knows what happens next week? There could be some crazy runners, and everyone who's day trading or a day trader, etc., is going to have their eyes on that. So the volume might not come back, and if it doesn't, this is not going to be the most interesting stock to watch. Like we saw the last few days, it kind of just channeled and fell off a bit. There were a few pushes up, but they were risky, not the easiest to enter, and didn't yield the most profits the last 3 days, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Today was a good day, but we need that volume like we had here, 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 a little bit here, and then here, but in a bullish sense if you're going to be long on this. So that's what we need for Monday. That's what I'm going to be watching for. And once again, thanks for the request. Appreciate that. And everyone else watching, I hope you enjoy this analysis as well. Catch you next time.